and I would like to show you my house. And so first I'm going to lead you into the bedroom. Sorry, just a second. Okay, this is my bedroom. Might look a bit messy, but I'll show you to my Barbies first. Okay, this is my Barbie. She might be looking a bit messy, but this is one of my Barbies. This is my favourite. She's a bit nude, so I might just dress her up soon, because mostly all of them are nude. Here's my mermaid Barbie. She's broken, but just to show you. She can move. So, now, I would like to show you my, this is my shelf. It's got about 550 globes on it. No, not that many, but a few snow globes. And this is my princess hat. I made it. I just turn it around to find the doors. That's better. So that's how it's meant to be. You can see them closer. Okay, next, this is my world map. So if you want to get a world map, I've got one. It's a big one. I always say, I'll show you it close. Big one. So, next I think I will lead you to show my backyard. The lines are just in the way. I'll just pull them up. Or maybe I can't. So this is my bed. So I might now show you my ABC chart. It goes A, B, C. Okay, next I think I will show you my little angel. She sleeps in a box for some reason. So that's her.